Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is me again, Mark. I'm back with another video. So I just plant some peppers in there. So now this is an experiment. So over here, this is the soil that I collect from my field. If you don't see this video, you can go to this channel and you'll see the video where I collect two different sample to send to the lab for soil testing. So this is the soil where I'm going to have my vegetable garden, and there's a lot of work within 4 to 6 inches. So it was hard to collect 6 inches of soil, and I try my best. And then this is the soil where we're going to have orchards, so fruit trees like apples, peach, and things like that. So the difference is this is a hay field. So hay has alfalfa and other good stuff that help the soil. The soil over here is a little darker over there than this soil over there, right? Those two. So this is where I'm going to have my vegetable garden. So what I do, I'm doing an experiment. I put dark planted peppers. I could have put other stuff like tomatoes, stuff like that, but I direct plant peppers here and peppers here to monitor the um you know the growth, right? I'm going to monitor them. Now this soil is the same soil but with compost on it. So this is composted, this is no compost, and then this is the same soil over there with compost. So with compost here, and this is the orchard area, and then this is the vegetable area with compost over there. So this is an experiment that I'm doing to monitor the growth and then to see the vitality of the soil. And this area, this is a normal compost mixed with other ingredient to have a normal growth paper seedling. But this one is my regular soil with nothing in it. This is the vegetable area, this is the orchard area, and then this has mixed 50-50 compost, stuff like that, and this one as well. So I'm just looking to see what's going on in the soil. Okay, so like you can see, my onions is ready to go to the ground, and I have peppers in the bottom coming up. Okay, and this is extra onion that I have here. The second set of onions. The second set is not doing pretty good. It looks like I put too many seed on the cups, so I lost a lot of them. As you can see, those I lose this basket, and then this is not doing good. This one's not doing good. So sometimes people just show you those that doing good and don't show you the other stuff. So yeah, so some of my onions are not going good. So those are not that bad, but I already lost this one, and then this one in the back here, and this one is not doing good. And it looks like I put too many seed, and I put too many seed in the box. So for whatever reason they go and then they tie each other out, stuff like that, and then they die. So I try my best to save them. I cut them and everything like that. So they're not doing good. But this is the experiment. Okay, so if bring the questions. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a professional farmer. I'm just trying and I go to YouTube University and learn a couple of things and try to do things myself. So probably not the best, you know, you know, farm experiment, but I have to do something to see what's going on. So uh, I'm trying to see if within this week I can put those onion out. So they overdue. They overdo. So it's getting a little better outside lately. I'm getting 60s, and it's still April, so in New York City. So I'm not sure what's going to happen in the next couple of days. So, but I have to put them in the ground because I plant them too early. So we'll see. We'll see. This is work in progress. Thank you for watching this video. If you do not subscribe yet, subscribe to this video, and I'm gonna keep them coming. We can learn this together. So take care now.